Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Abdurrahman Turkman from Afghanistan. In today's video, I'm going to be testing the iPhone 11 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra inside a boiling water. We all know these both phones are water resistant, but the question is, will they survive inside a hot and boiling water? That is what we are going to find out in this video. So let's get started. Before we get started, I just want to check the sound quality and camera of these phones because in my opinion, speakers and camera are the most vulnerable parts when it comes to water test. So let's start with Note 20 Ultra. First, let's take a photo. And also, let's record a short video. This is the video quality of Note 20 Ultra before hot water test. This is the video quality of Note 20 Ultra before hot water test. Okay, now let's check the audio. Okay, now let's check the iPhone 11. Let's take a photo first. Here's the rear camera. Selfie camera. Let's record a video. This is the video quality of iPhone 11 before hot water test. This is the video quality of iPhone 11 before hot water test. Okay, now let's check the audio. This is the audio quality. Okay, now let's start with boiling some water. Okay, I have my water ready. So let's put the phones inside and start a test. Whoa, I'm getting Ooh. Okay, what is this? Okay, now my phones are in. I'm just gonna leave there for exactly 90 seconds. So here's the timer. Oh, can you see? Oh, iPhone 11 turned off. But Note 20 Ultra is still alive. But I can see a warning message on notification bar. Okay, 38 seconds, 40 seconds. Is iPhone 11 still alive? Okay, on Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, I got a message says 6 apps were closed automatically. I don't know what, but we will find out later. Okay, the timer is done, so let's stop. Alright, now let's check out these phones. The timer is stopped. Can you see the bubble on iPhone 11 here? Bubble is also coming out of iPhone 11 speaker. I think iPhone 11 is completely dead, but I'm not sure. So let's check out these phones and see. Okay, now it's time to get the phones out. Let's take Note 20 Ultra out. Ooh, it's too hot. It's too hot. I think the iPhone 11 is dead. Completely dead. The screen is turned off. Ooh. Okay. iPhone 11 is not dead. But it's giving me the message. Here says iPhone. Okay, it says iPhone needs to cool down before you can use it. Okay. But I don't see any message on Note 20 Ultra. If I try to open an app on Note 20 Ultra, it says can't open the app. Phone is overheating. So I guess these phones are not usable at the moment because of too much heat. So let's give them time to cool down and we'll see later. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes and the phone should have cooled down by now. So let me clean the phone. Okay, Note 20 Ultra is a little bit cooled down, but I can still see a notification of water drop. So let's see what it says. It says check the charger or USB port. Moisture has been detected in your charger or USB port. Apart from that, let's see the apps are opening or not. Let's open Chrome. Okay, it's working good. Okay, the apps are opening now. So let's check the camera. Let's take a photo. Let's take a photo from the rear camera. And also, let's record a video. This is the video quality of Note 20 Ultra after hot water test. This is the video quality of Note 20 Ultra after hot water test. Okay, let's check the speakers. Okay, speakers are also working good. Okay, now it says check your charger or USB port. Now let's check the charger. Okay, as I plug the charger, I got this message. As you can see, it says moisture has been detected. Unplug the charger and wait until both the charger and USB port are dry. So it says the USB port is not dry yet, so we have to wait for it. So let's check the iPhone 11. Okay, iPhone 11 is working fine. Let's open the camera and take a photo. Let's take a selfie. And also, let's record a video. Here's the video quality of iPhone 11 after hot water test. Here's the video quality of iPhone 11 after hot water test. And also, let's check the speakers. Whoa! Okay, the iPhone 11 survived the hot water test, which I wasn't expecting after all. Okay, let's check the charger now. Okay, So I'm just going to leave the Note 20 Ultra like this for about an hour or so until this notification disappears. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes or so, and now as you can see, the water drop notification is gone. Does that mean now the phone will charge? So let's find out. Okay, now I just grabbed my charger and let's plug it in. Okay, it's charging now. It's charging perfectly, so let's try once again. Okay, it's charging. So there you have it, guys. That was my iPhone 11 and Note 20 Ultra hot water test. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to this channel with notification on. And I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe.